Good morning everyone, welcome back in this class. Today we are with one of the most important topic of class 10 science, that is the resistivity. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the resistance and the combination of the resistance series and parallel. So in this sequence we will discuss in this video, that is the resistivity and the materials classified on the basis of the resistivity. So now let us start. First of all we will discuss about the resistance. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the resistance and the factors depend on the resistance. So as you know that the resistance refers the property of a conductor by virtue of which it is oppose the flow of electric current through it, called the resistance. So it is clear that resistance of a conductor which is oppose flow of the electric current flow across through it, that is called the resistance. So resistance is depend on the various factors such as length of wire, area of cross section, nature of material. So it is clear that resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire. So R is proportional to the length of wire. So it is clear that if the length of wire is double, then also gets of the resistance will be gets here double. So resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire. So it is clear that proportional means directly proportional means if the one quantity increase, then other quantity also increase with the same amount. So it is clear that resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of wire. If the length of wire is double, then resistance will also get double. And if the length of wire is half, suppose that, then resistance will also get half. So now next is the resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So R is inversely proportional to the 1 by area of cross section. So 1 by R is inversely proportional to the 1 by A. So it is clear that if the area of cross section is increased, then resistance will be also decreases. If the resistance area of cross section will be decreases here, then resistance will be also increases. So it is clear that resistance depend on the length of the wire and depend upon the area cross section. So in this sequence, that is suppose that that is the first equation and that is second. From 1 and 2, from 1 and equation 1 and 2, equation 2. So we can write here the R is proportional to the L by A. So in the place of the proportional sign, we can write here the A constant, that is name is rho, that is L by A. So this constant is known as the resistivity. So we can write here rho equal to R into A by L. So rho is known as resistivity. So rho is known as the resistivity. So here it is clear that resistivity is equal to the resistance R into a area cross section by length of wire. So in the above situation, resistance is depend upon the length of wire. So R is proportional to the length of wire, that is the first equation, and resistance is depend on the area of cross section, that is R is inversely proportional to the 1 by area of cross section, that is the R is proportional to inversely proportional 1 by A. So here the from equation 1 and 2, so we can write here R is proportional to L by A. So here in the proportional sign, in the place of the proportional, we can write here the rho and into L by A. So rho is specific resistance. It is also known as the resistivity. So resistivity equal to the R into A by L. So here what is the SI unit of resistivity? So in this case, that is rho equal to R into A by L. So what is the unit of the resistivity? So in this formula, that is SI unit of resistance, we know that SI unit of resistance SI unit of resistance, we know that that is the ohm. And we know that SI unit of the area of cross section, SI unit of area of cross section, that is meter square, and area of the length of wire, SI unit of area of SI unit of length of wire, that is meter. So in above formula, resistivity equal to resistance into area cross section by L. So R equal to rho into A by, rho equal to R into A by L. So it is clear that the SI unit of the resistance, that is the ohm, and into SI unit of area of cross section is here meter square, and SI unit of the length of wire, that is meter, and simplify here, that is resistivity ohm, meter, or omega meter. So it is clear that unit of resistivity is ohm, meter, or omega meter. So resistivity is here. We know that resistance is depend on the length of wire and depend on the area of cross section. So resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So we can write here R is proportional to L and R is inversely proportional to the 1 by A. So from 1 and 2, we conclude here the R is proportional to the L by A. So in the place of proportional sign, we can write here a constant whose name is the resistivity. So R equal to rho into L by A. Then rho equal to R into A by L. So unit of the resistivity, we know that resistivity equal to the R into A by L, resistance into the area of cross section by length of wire. So we know that here SI unit of the resistance, that is the ohm or omega, and SI unit of area of cross section, that is meter square, and SI unit of the length of wire, that is meter. So apply here in the formula of the resistivity, that is the ohm into meter square by meter. Then unit of SI unit of the resistivity, that is ohm meter. So now next, resistance offered by a cube of a substance having side of 1 meter when current flows perpendicular to its opposite faces is called its resistivity. So take a cube having the side is 1 meter, then suppose that a cube having sides 1 meter and current flows perpendicular on its faces. One meter. So 1 meter. 1 meter. Then resistance offered by a cube substance having the side of 1 meter when the current flows perpendicular to it, the opposite phase. Here in the above case, 1 meter resistance R equal to rho equal to R into A by L. Then here is area of cross section A equal to 1 meter square and length of wire equal to 1 meter. Then the resistivity here R rho equal to R into 1 square by 1. Then rho equal to R. So in this case, whenever the area of cross section is 1 meter square and length of wire is given, that is the 1 meter, so resistivity is same as the resistance of a conductor. So it is clear that area of cross section, that is the 1 meter square and length of wire is given here 1 meter. So resistivity is same as the resistance of the conductor. Now next is we will discuss about the materials classified on the basis of the resistivity. Materials classified on the basis of resistivity. Okay. So material classified on the basis of the resistivity. First is substances showing very low resistivity. So it is clear that substances show very low. If the substance having having the low resistivity means electric current. Substances showing very high resistivity. So substances showing very high resistivity means the electric current flows across through it very less. So it is clear that resistivity substances having very high resistivity means the electric current does not flows across through the substance, and substance showing very low resistivity means electric current flow across through it. So it is clear that resistivity is equal to the